chop the feet off. Okay? It goes right there and then it hits the head. There's a little more now. This is kind of heavy, putting a lot. Whoa. Okay, there we go.
Okay, let's put the net down now.
I have a break. What? There.
Deej.
Now, I'm gonna put this in there.
No,
Why?
because that's not going in there.
Okay, now.
Deej, out of the garage. Come on, outside stuff.
I haven't done
Outside stuff.
this.
Outside stuff. That is not going in there. Oh, you just want to ride it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can ride it.